Hey everyone! Now that you've seen how easy it is to create your WABA account, in this video we're going to see how you can build a powerful WhatsApp AI agent using Plivo's Vibe Agent Builder and enable it to handle real customer conversations for your business on both messaging and voice calls. Let's get started. Head over to the AI Studio and under Vibe Agent, start typing your desired prompt. Today, let's say we want to create a WhatsApp AI agent for booking and hotel reservation. In your prompt, describe what you want the AI agent to do. For example, let's create a WhatsApp AI agent that helps users book a hotel room by answering relevant questions about the hotel and share necessary details like available dates, pricing, location, menu, and other amenities. Let's also attach the knowledge base named Blue Haven Resort, which we have configured. Once you hit Enter, Vibe Builder starts creating your WhatsApp agent. It automatically adds the Blue Haven knowledge base that we've already set up under Knowledge Bases. It creates a global prompt and adds all the relevant nodes like Hotel Information Node, Node for Availability, Pricing, Menu, Location, and other helpful nodes the agent will need. Once your AI agent is ready, click Publish. Now go to Settings. Under Platform, open WhatsApp Configuration. Select the number you want to use. Give it an alias. And attach the AI agent you just created. Once linked, your WhatsApp AI agent can start chatting or talk naturally with your customers directly on WhatsApp, sharing images, messages, locations, and more. Let's test it out.
Hey, is this Blue Haven Resorts?
Hi, yes, I'm your assistant from the Blue Haven Resorts. How can I help you today?
Yeah, could you share some photos of the accommodation, please?
Of course. Just a moment. I've just shared pictures of our deluxe room, suite room, family room, and the common lounge on WhatsApp chat.
Great, thanks.
Your very first WhatsApp AI agent is now deployed.